Hi, and welcome to another episode of EMP TV. Today we're going to be working on a Honda Talon. We're going to be installing our winch mounting plate. We sell winches. You can buy one of our winches, buy a winch from somebody else. We don't care. We manufacture the winch mounting kit right here at our shop in Cleveland. So what I want to show you is going to get three pieces, the winch plate. As you can see, this is for a regular spool or a wide spool winch. This plate mounts behind it. What you're going to see is this lines up with these holes, and you're going to need to know that later. And then you get a fairlead bracket, which also has a regular spool and a wide spool mounting holes. The tools you're going to need a 17 millimeter to remove the stock nut right here. You're going to need a 9/16 for the new bolts, 3/8 thread bolts right here. And then you're going to need a 7/16 and a 3/8 to mount the fairlead bracket on the front. This is a wide spool winch. Like I said, it'll fit a wide spool or a regular spool UTV winch. Whichever you have, we sell them. We'd love to sell you one. But if you already have one, that's fine too. And how this works, we'll come on in here close. First thing you're going to do is you're going to remove the stock nuts here. You're going to take those off. You're going to put this winch plate in there. Using your 17 millimeter wrench, you're going to tighten these down first before you do anything else. Once you have those in place, you're going to take this bracket, you're going to slip it behind the frame and line it up, like we said, with those holes. And then you're going to use the 3/8 bolts right here, clamp down the outside, leave them loose. Then take the bolts that come with your winch and you're going to mount the winch to into the four holes and slots. And then once you have that mounted in place, you can put the fairlead bracket on. This is a Haas fairlead. You can use a roller fairlead. Again, regular spool, wide spool, it'll accommodate both. Basically, you set that up in there. You're going to drill using a 1/4 inch drill. You're going to drill the holes down through your your stock bumper and mount it with the 2 bolts supplied. And that's all there really is to it. After that, follow the directions that come with your winch to wire it. And again, thank you for watching EMP TV.